So hi Tech Geeks, how's it going? Today I'm going to speak about the Boya BYM1 Universal Lavalier microphone. So let's unbox the package from Amazon. The knife. Skip that part. Ta-da! So what we got here in the box? Inside it, we get a manual. Let's throw it. So here we come. A lapel mic. A foam windscreen. A clip to hang your clothes. Just joking. A battery. Model number is LR44. 1/4 inch of a plug adapter. So the mic has two options to increase its gain and reduce the noise. For mobile it got a separate button, and for DSLRs it got another separate setting. But to be honest, for the camera the mic just sucks. Really a handy product from Boya, and for all the starting YouTubers like us. Well, the difference can be felt, and a headphone is highly recommended for listening this recording. The first one is from the inbuilt microphone from the Samsung S9 Plus. Hi friends, today we are going to review the Boya BYM1 Universal Lavalier microphone. Well, this microphone can be used with cameras, smartphones and other recording devices, and it is designed for reliable and trouble-free performance. And the second one is from the Boya, connected to the mobile itself. Today we are going to review the Boya BYM1 Universal Lavalier microphone. This microphone can be used with cameras, smartphones and other recording devices. Well, it's designed for reliable and trouble-free performance. It don't really matter to which phone it is connected, because the feedback gain of this mic is pretty much the same. So it is a mic which creates the magic, not the phone. So YouTubers, this is not the end, amigos. We will be returning soon. Till then, do what you can do, man.